In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If you are getting tired of annoying pop-ups on your OPPO, here's how to take control over notification settings. Don't worry, I tested it before on this and many other OPPO devices, so I can assure you it will work. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on notifications and quick settings. Then scroll, tap on Manage All over here next to App Notifications, and before doing anything select Recent at the top left corner to sort your apps. You can sort them to see most recent notifications, apps with most frequent notifications, with notifications enabled or disabled. So wherever you want, tap on it, and then to block notifications from any app, use blue switcher right next to it. To turn them back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. But here's what most people miss. You can also go back, use the same sorting options under app notifications, and click on any app you want to manage. Then turn on or off notifications thanks to this switcher at the top, but also manage all of those options however you want to if you don't want to disable them completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!